Hi everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll show you how to create the perfect website for your coffee shop. One that not only reflects your brand but also attracts and engages customers. Whether you are just starting out or looking to revamp your coffee shop's online presence, this guide will help you create the ideal website that keeps your customers coming back for more. First, let's talk about why having a website for your coffee shop is so important. Today, more than ever, customers look online before visiting a place in person. A well-designed website allows potential customers to discover your coffee shop, check out your menu, find your location, and even order online. Your website is an extension of your brand, and in many cases, it's the first impression customers get of your shop. Key points. A professional website increases credibility. It helps you reach a wider audience, including tourists or newcomers in the area. Allows for online orders or table reservations. Before we dive into the design process, it's essential to understand your coffee shop's brand. What sets your shop apart from the competition? Is it the cozy, homey feel, or maybe the hip, modern vibe? Your website should reflect this. Think about your logo, color scheme, and overall aesthetics. Your brand's personality should shine through every page of your website. Ask yourself these questions. What message do you want your website to convey? What's your shop's unique selling point? Who are your target customers? Students, professionals, families? Now that you have defined your brand, it's time to choose the right platform to build your website. With your brand identity in place, the next step is to choose the right platform to build your website. The platform you select will determine how easy is it to manage your site, customize it to match your vision, and integrate essential features. WordPress is a great option for those who want flexibility and full control, while Wix offers user-friendly drag and drop functionality, making it ideal for beginners. If you're planning to sell products online, Shopify provides a seamless e-commerce experience with built-in tools for managing sales. Here are some key features every coffee shop website needs. Let's go over the must-have features for a successful coffee shop website. These elements will ensure your website is user-friendly and provides all the information your customers need. A stunning homepage. Your homepage is the face of your coffee shop online. Use high-quality images, a clear tagline, and a brief introduction to your shop. Make it visually appealing but not cluttered. Menu display. Your menu is one of the most important sections of your site. Make it easy to read with photos of your top offerings and prices listed clearly. Consider adding special dietary options like vegan or gluten-free selections. Location and hours. Don't make it hard for your customers to find you. Display your address, opening hours, and a Google Map integration right on the homepage or under the contact section. Online ordering. If you offer takeout or delivery, ensure there's a seamless way for your customers to order online directly from your website. This can be integrated through platforms like Square, Toast, or third-party apps. Social media integration. Link your Instagram, Facebook, and other social media pages. Encourage visitors to follow you for updates and promotions, new menu items, and even your events. Customer reviews and testimonial section. Let your customers speak for you. Showcase your reviews from Google, Yelp, or social media to build trust and credibility. Now, let's move on to the design part of things. The look and feel of your website should mirror your coffee shop's ambience. Here are a few design tips to keep in mind. Use high-quality images. Photographs of your space, staff, and drinks create a welcoming atmosphere. Be sure to use professional photos that show off the warmth and the personality of your shop. Simple and clean layouts. Avoid clutter. Keep your layout simple, easy to navigate, and intuitive. Use white space to create balance and focus on the essentials. Color palette. Stick to a color palette that matches your brand. For example, if your shop has a rustic vibe, earthly tones like browns, greens, and deep reds work very well. Typography. Choose fonts that are easy to read but stylish enough to reflect your brand's personality. Your font choices should be consistent across the website. Even the most beautiful website won't do much if customers can't find it. That's where SEO comes in. Optimizing your website for search engines ensures that people searching for coffee shop near me or best coffee in your city can easily find you. SEO tips for coffee shops. Keyword optimization. Use relevant keywords in your website's headings, descriptions, and content. Local SEO. Claim your Google My Business listing and make sure your shop shows up on Google Maps. Page speed. A fast loading site is crucial for both SEO and user experience. Mobile optimization. Your website needs to be fully responsive, meaning it should look and function great on mobile devices since most customers will visit from their phones. If you are ready to build your coffee shop, you need the right partner. Softrix is a leading website service provider in India with years of experience in creating customized, scalable, and high-performing websites for businesses around the globe. With Softrix, you get custom solutions tailored to your needs, affordable pricing, experienced developers with top-notch technical skills, 24/7 support to ensure your platform runs smoothly. Here is what one of our clients have to say about our service.
I have gone through a few coders, and he is my go-to. He's the one that's delivering and doing a wonderful job on my website, the design work, and the coding. So I highly recommend OJ, and I'm just blessed that I have them to help me out. I'm still working with them currently, so check them out.
Building a successful coffee shop website is about more than just displaying your menu. It's about reflecting your brand, engaging your customers, and driving business growth. With the right design, features, and optimization, you can brew online success as rich and satisfying as your coffee. If you have any questions or want to learn more about website development, please visit our website or call on the WhatsApp number provided on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on website design and development. Thank you.